I got smart blinds last year and I absolutely loved them. They were from Beasen Blinds and I feel like they're an excellent product. So I recently got some new ones and I'm really excited to share with you about this product. I want to review it, share with you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and just the process of getting them. If you're interested, hopefully this video will help you learn if smart blinds are right for you. It was pretty cool. Oh, right there in the middle. So the blinds that I got are 100% blackout safari, and I got them in the color midnight. And the ordering process is very simple. You actually have to go through, input your window measurements, and you also get to select all the different preferences you have about how you want your blinds to look. I chose to get mine with the little cassette bar up top to kind of hide the rolling wheel. And I also chose to get the motor on the right hand side because it was very close to an outlet so I can charge it. And you can choose between two different charging options, the plug-in version like I did, or you can choose to get a solar panel. I personally don't think I like the look of a solar panel just because I don't want anything attached to my window. I like the clean aesthetics of how it looks right now. And what I've realized from the first blinds that I had previously around a year ago is that thing stays charged for a very long time. I only have to charge it maybe once every 5 or 6 months or something. So it's hardly ever often that my battery will actually die on me. And if it does, I'll plug it in overnight and then it's good to go the next day and it'll last me for like another 5 months or so. So the battery life is very good on this. That's why I opted not to get the solar panels. One upgrade I did decide to get was actually the smart motor. That way it will actually pair to my phone. So now I can talk to Siri and have her adjust the level of my blinds, and it will also adjust my previous blinds that I already own as well. So it's nice to be able to have both of those connected to my phone so I can change them anytime I want to. Close the living room blinds 50%. And the nice thing is you don't always have to rely on your phone, but you can use the remote that it comes with as well. And this will actually sync to multiple blinds as well, so I can control the blind in my living room or the blind in my bedroom just from this one remote. One thing that was nice is when the blinds arrived, they were packaged really nicely and nothing was damaged on them, especially for how large of blinds these are. I thought they might get creased or bent or scuffed up, but they came in pristine condition. To actually install these blinds is a very simple process as well. They have video tutorials to help you if you need that extra assistance, but all you have to do is screw the brackets into your windowsill and then lift up your blinds and adhere it to it. It's very easy to do. I was able to manage this large blind behind me all by myself and it wasn't a struggle at all. I wasn't sure initially if I was going to keep my curtains up to keep them as like a decorative piece, but I decided to take them down and I think it just looks way cleaner and less cluttery, so I actually like the way it looks better now. Also, a benefit of not having curtains is my daughter doesn't play with them anymore and she's not tugging on them, so I feel way better about having blinds right there versus a curtain. Another add-on that I decided to get were the light blockers that goes on the sides of your windows. They just help to cover any spill light that might come through the sides of the blinds, and I feel like they actually make a difference when you actually install them. One downfall that I noticed with it is they come with this 3M tape, so when I adhered it to it, I feel like it had a very secure hold, but then after like a day or two, it peeled off the windowsill. So I don't know if it's the paint on my windowsill or what caused it to not adhere very well, but it kept falling off, so I ended up tossing a screw in it and now it's not going anywhere. I haven't had a problem with it since then. But the original 3M tape that it gave me, it didn't seem to stick to my exact windowsill. Also with these blinds, you can kind of fine tune them to get the settings how you want them to be, so you can actually change the speed. If you want them to go up faster or slower, you can do that. And then you can also change the stop points on it to be exactly where you want them to as well, just in case it might run over the bottom of the blind or the window or go up too far. You can set your exact parameters. So the blinds do come with some cool features and they allow you to customize your order just like I did with these additional add-ons. However, they are a little bit pricey. The blinds behind me here are $600 and some, and then the blinds that I have in my master bedroom, those were over $400 for those. So they are a little bit more pricey, but these windows are pretty large. So if you have smaller windows, the price will definitely be cheaper for you. And the other thing that you have to consider is these are very high quality products, so the material on them is very nice. They have a good texture and feel to them. The color choices look very elegant. The bottom bar that hangs on the bottom of the blind is very weighted and it just feels very durable. The motors work good and they last over a year. I've had that one, so I feel like there's definitely quality behind this brand, but they are a little bit more expensive, so that is one thing I want to point out. So hopefully this video gave you a little bit better insight about this product. Again, these are Beasen blinds, and I'm honestly a huge fan of this brand. I feel like they make excellent products and they last a long time. I've chatted with their customer support team as well, and they're very responsive. So overall, I feel like it's a very solid choice. I know sometimes when you're ordering online, you might be a little bit skeptical of how good a product is going to be, but I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm excited about this product. I definitely want to slowly keep adding more to each windows. I know they are a little bit pricey, so I have to kind of pace myself, but I'm pumped about them. So if you want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below, and thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you a little bit. Have a nice day.